kitchen that represents gracious living to delight American women. An idea kitchen with 26 specific features. If you plan to build or remodel, you'll find many ideas for your kitchen. All inexpensive fir plywood. These ideas add up to a truly modern kitchen full of time and labor-saving conveniences. A friendly, open-hearted kitchen because of the warmth and charm of these real wood cabinets. Let's see how these 26 ideas are organized into 7 basic work centers. The serving center is next to the dining room. Here's the sink center with built-in dishwasher. The planning center, a compact kitchen office. Here near the refrigerator is the mixing center. The cooking center is close to both serving area and sink. A utility storage center with plenty of room for canned goods and cleaning equipment. Handy, yet happily out of sight from the kitchen, is the laundry center. You can use all or any one of the features contained in these work centers to remodel the kitchen you already have or in building a new home. Now let's see how these work centers actually work for you. Starting with the sink center, you'll find the planning goes beyond the rich plywood cabinets to features like this self-opening garbage disposal can. Fresh fruit and vegetables right where you want them, arranged so that you can pick out just the ones you want. Your selection made, you'll probably need a knife. Then, a cutting board. That's what home economists mean when they talk about efficient work patterns. This is the planning center, a handy place for your telephone, recipes, and want list. Actually, it's just a simple built-in desk anyone can make with fir plywood and plans you get at your neighborhood lumber dealer. The meal planned and recipes selected, it's exactly one step to the mixing center, complete with swing-up mixer shelf. Here again, storage is planned to save time and steps. Everything you need at your fingertips. Kitchen designers call it point-of-usage planning. Makes sense, doesn't it? And notice the drawers, how the designers have gotten away from the antiseptic look by using traditionally good-looking, durable wood fronts combined with metal lining. Oh, good. It's going to be an apple pie coming up. Utensils right where you need them. Come to you storage that ends reaching in and over. Here's real comfort, a plywood lap board that lets you sit while you work. Another work-saver feature you can build in your own kitchen, very easily too. You know that pie is coming along in great shape. Must be about time for cinnamon. Yep, cinnamon it is. With this sliding spice shelf, it's right up front where it belongs. Larger items store neatly behind. Looks like the pie's about ready for the oven. This built-in range and oven is a big improvement over the old-fashioned kind. Plenty of work surface around the stove, and the oven is the right height for easy usage. And because plywood built-ins can be made any size or design you desire, you can place your range and oven exactly where you want them. You can feature the warm, honey-colored tones of the natural wood, or use bright accenting paint finishes as you prefer. And when you want to redecorate, you can refinish those smooth wood surfaces as easily and as often as you change your mind. Next to the built-in oven is more wonderful space-saving storage. A place for trays. The dividers are removable. Muffin and pie pans here, and more roomy storage for utensils, right where you want them near the oven. Remember, we told you that anyone can build any of these work-saving features. Let's see how easy it is. This unit above the oven is simply one box on top of another. No complicated fitting or framing, just squarely cut pieces of plywood butted together, glued and nailed. The same kind of simple construction is true of all the features in this idea-packed kitchen. It's easy to alter dimensions to fit your needs exactly. New type hinges make the job doubly easy. They're economical, simplify building, add beauty because they're almost invisible. And see how well they work. Now a look at the utility storage center. At left, the cleaning closet. At right, the canned goods cabinet. To enjoy the convenience of once-a-week buying, you need plenty of storage for canned goods. These plywood shelves are adjustable. You can raise them for tall cans, lower them for baby food. Here's a good place for bottled goods, even those troublesome tall ones. This big utility closet is a real work-saver. Handy shelf door storage keeps soaps and cleaners within fingertip reach. And talk about saving steps. Here's a go-with-you cleaning caddy that ends running back and forth. The whole utility storage center closes off neatly, and the painted cabinets here blend nicely with the natural wood in the kitchen. Modern appliances fit into these surroundings like gems in a fine setting, and more ideas that can bring beauty and convenience to an area traditionally drab and uninviting. What a grand idea! A laundry cart on wheels. Another easy do-it-yourself project. Conveniently divided, colored clothes on one side, whitewash on the other, or any sorting you wish. More supplies and accessories adjacent to the work area. Even a special soap cupboard. Uh-oh, pie must be ready. Ah, perfect. And it's ready to serve. So let's follow and take in the serving center. Here again, clever design and good-looking materials have teamed up to create this convenient serving center. It's a handy serving counter on one side, a snack bar on the other. This hanging cabinet puts dishes within easy reach from either kitchen or dining room. Here's another space saver. This revolving shelf unit does away with waste corner space. Yes, there usually is time for a leisurely cup of coffee in a well-planned kitchen. Coffee and why, yes, I would like a piece of pie. But first, let's tell our viewers more about the free plans for these exciting kitchen features. Your local lumber dealer has plans for conveniences just like these. Special free do-it-yourself plans for the serving center, the revolving shelf unit, cleaning caddy, kitchen desk, all of the 26 ideas in this kitchen. Whether you do the work yourself or have it done by a local carpenter or cabinet shop, you'll find these fir plywood work savers help you have a beautiful and efficient kitchen, tailor-made to your own individual taste and preference. Designed by home economists and architects to give you planned work patterns, efficient work centers, the rich beauty of real wood, and all the conveniences of a truly modern kitchen.